Cold day. Today, the kids went out for a walk, and now Black is sick.
Jevin, where is tall Black?
Ray, Black is sick. Children, get changed and go outside it.
Children are warmly dressed and can make snowballs, go sledding, or build a snowman.
Wendell, I want to eat snow.
Don't eat snow, or you will need a doctor, or get a sore throat. Ray, your throat hurts and you won't be going to school tomorrow.
Poor Ray. I built a snowman. Maybe I'll show it to my younger sister Emilia in 5th grade.
Ray, you were sick and your throat hurts from eating snow.
Randy, it can be a sold, can it?
Thanks you, Vineria.
Wendy's friends love cold days and can go outside.